Changing the rear bulbs on the Lexus IS200. Now you've removed the plastic covers, you've got two 10mm bolts you can remove. You can use a screwdriver, as they do have a crosshead in the middle. Now there's only little rubber mounts holding the light in position, and underneath you've got like a plastic lip that tucks behind the bumper. So the stop and tail bulb is a W21/5 and it's a wedge bulb. The indicator is a PY21W, and the reverse light bulb is a W21W wedge as well. To change the bulb on the fog light, you'll need to remove these clips on the tailgate. And you can pull the carpet back. And twist to remove the bulb. The bulb is a W21W wedge bulb.